Mercedes-Benz is gearing up for a big change in its van lineup, with an all-new generation set to roll out starting in 2026. Recently, the company shared images of camouflage prototypes being put to the test in the extreme cold of northern Sweden. Unlike the current Sprinter and V-Class models, which sit on separate platforms, the upcoming generation will use a common, highly adaptable platform. Mercedes confirmed that it will support both electric and gasoline-powered versions. The electric lineup will fall under the Van EA designation, while the internal combustion models will be part of Van CA. Originally, Mercedes had plans to transition completely to electric power, but the automaker adjusted its strategy last year, recognizing that traditional engines will remain in demand for years to come. The first model to debut on this new platform will be a midsize van, likely replacing the existing V-Class. The current version also serves as the base for the Vito commercial van, which was briefly sold in the United States as the Metris, as well as the all-electric EQV. Mercedes has announced that the electric variant of the upcoming midsize van will launch first, with a preview set for this spring in the form of the Vision 5 concept. A luxury version, expected to keep the V-Class name, is also coming to the United States, though its exact release date remains unclear. A commercial version, potentially retaining the Vito badge, is also in the works. However, it is uncertain whether it will be available in the United States given the strong demand for the American-built Sprinter van. The new van platform is designed with a modular approach, making it easier to scale across different vehicle sizes. Mercedes has also hinted at possible camper van variants in the future. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.